Resetting the roll bar on the SL280. We start by removing all the components installed inside the vehicle. The first step is to unclip the lower trim using a wedge. Then remove the bolt for the side trim and then the one for the edge guard. First unscrew the bolts facing the inside of the car. Then proceed to the outside. Now remove the door sill. All the components to be removed must also be removed on the opposite side. Detach the rubber seal and stow it on the side of the seat. Use the assembly wedge to remove the side trim. The aim is to reach the components underneath, including the support element for the retracting spring. Then turn the hydraulic cylinder 90 degrees counterclockwise. Pull back the black retaining clips and remove the cylinder by hand. Note: extraction hooks are required for Model Refinement Package 1. For Model Refinement Package 2, the retracting springs are pressed in using a screwdriver. The aid of a colleague is needed for this step. Press down the roll bar together, keeping the screwdriver pressed in. Press the roll bar all the way down and remove the screwdriver from the opening. 4 loud clicks and the roll bar stops in an intermediate position. Finally, reinstall the hydraulic cylinder in the opening. Secure the retaining clips. Make sure that the retaining clips are seated properly and do not slip out again.